Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The lion, a massive and powerful creature, is found in its natural habitat, the jungle. It certainly looks fierce with 4 strong legs, a large head adorned with a mane in males, a tail, and glowing eyes. This majestic animal is also famous for its unmistakable roar and skilled hunting abilities. Known to live in a group called a pride, the lion has earned its place as one of the world's most dangerous animals. Because of its massive physicality and aggressive hunting abilities, the lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is the only cat species that engages in social interaction. They are quick runners and eat other animals' flesh. One could hear the lion's ferocious roar 8 kilometers away. With their sharp eyesight, lions are excellent hunters and they hunt for food with solid paws and sharp claws. A pride consists of 2 males, 7 females, and many cubs. Usually, lionesses live together as sisters or cousins. Females are typically smaller and weigh around 300 pounds with a length of approximately 8.5 feet, approximately 450 pounds, and a height at the shoulder of approximately 4 feet. The reproduction process in lions differs between the males and females. Male lions become sexually mature at 5, while female lions reach this stage at 4. Within a pride, lionesses usually mate during the breeding season and then give birth together, working together to care for their young. On average, a lioness gives birth to 3 cubs after being pregnant for 98 to 105 days. Unfortunately, only one of these cubs will survive into adulthood due to the challenging conditions in their natural habitats. At birth, the newborns are unable to see and have limited mobility. The light brown or dark brown plain coat of common albinos has no spots or markings. Humans hunt and kill lions for their skin, bones, and mane. Additionally, lions are kept away from the wildlife in zoos, where they become unhappy. Because lions are symbols of power, honor, and pride, they should be protected from human hunting and killing. And with that, this lion essay concludes. After all, this magnificent animal is a symbol of power, honor, and pride and should be preserved for future generations. As explained in this essay, the lion is called the king of the jungle because of his behavior, strength, power in the forest, etc. also discussed in this lion essay in English is the lion's pride. Furthermore, we know where lions can be found on our planet and how human activity negatively affects them. In a forest ecosystem, lions are the third level or tertiary consumers that feed on primary and secondary consumers. They play a crucial role in energy transmissions in a food chain. Stop.